I'm relentless. You was just a bench bitch. You can't invent this, so you just against this. You can't prevent this. Now you must confess this. Got you waking out of your sleep, young and restless. It's that bitch from the Bronx, yeah, you guessed it. Oh, what happened? You thought it was a test, bitch? Let me get on the mic, let me wreck shit. I'm gonna school you, so you know I meant this. You the apprentice, 7-day Adventist. Keep on fucking with me, you need a dentist. The best thing you can do is forget this. If it ain't old school, just eject this. Rip, roll, rip, roll, rip, fire, rip, roll. Fire, rip, roll, rip, fire, rip, roll. One. I'm on that New York shit, sitting back writing that New York hit. It's the hood that spits right from the belly of this New York bitch. I'm coming up real quick, riding with them niggas from my New York clique. Hip hop, we started this shit. Think that, then suck my dick. Old school is the name. Old school's where it came from. Old school is the game. Old school's where it came from. I'm on my New York shit, in the studio, straight repping this bitch. Remember New York block parties? Remember New York block parties? Remember New York shotty. Remember New York body. Rip, roll, rip, fire, rip, roll. Fire, rip, roll, rip, fire, rip, roll. It's the R. Comes from the BX. I'm in Visalia now. Y'all don't know where the hell that at. We're gonna talk about the BX, Tampa Bay, and New York City, baby. All of New York City. Come on. It's your birthday. It ain't mine. It's somebody's. Ha! One. Here we go. Oh, baby. How they feel for me. I'm that bitch on the black scene. Bigger, better, make them spend their cheddar. Quick, don't sleep on this big bitch. We know how to get up between. Next thing, you be looking for me, cooking for me, hooking for me on the streets where I met ya. I bet you won't know how to act black. Just pick up the jack and call your bitch back. Tell her you ain't coming home. You need 5 days alone for me to make you moan all night. Yes, I keep it tight. Give you medulla, yeah, all night. What? Bitches know they can't fuck with my flow. On the glow, on the dro, at home all alone. Your nigga will find me, wanna die me, then he will straight 69 me. Yeah. Holla back, son. What you know now? Right. You know, right. It's the hit, that boom bit. We get it quick, it's so sick. It be the bit, that boom Bronx. Don't give no lip, you get stomped. It's the hit, that boom bit. We get it quick, it's so sick. It be the bit, that boom Bronx. Don't give no lip, you'll get stomped. One. Okay.